He was once a thug from around the way.
Slim Thugger, motherfucker. At the H at the bottom of the map, and I was born and raised in the bottom of the trap. The #1 rule is you gotta stay strapped, cause any given minute you can take that long nap. I roll with gorillas, dealers and the killers, cause when I'm on stage that's the only fool spillers. Real trill niggas, let me see your hands. I do this for the streets, I ain't trying to make you dance. Roll so low, I don't need no friends. Still flip that lack, I don't need no Benz. And all I'm throwing money, I don't need those ends. Matter of fact, I'll be back, I need more to spend. She say she wanna they say I can't get in cause I'm dressed like a thug. Fuck the dress code, we bout 100 deep, and they gon' let us in or get their ass beat.